Alright, we are going to be using Pixellab to design the Pepsi logo. This is Vam Concept Graphics and this is Coach Vicky. So firstly, we'll change the background color. Alright, then select a shape. I'm going with circle. Arrange properly. Then another shape, semicircle shape. I'm going to be changing the color to red. Alright. Place it well, arrange it well. Then copy the shape and place it. Then change the color. I'm going to be using blue. Alright, let's go to Pinterest. There's a shape I'm looking for. Just type modern style shape. Yes, this is it. I'm selecting this particular shape. In case you do not see it, just type vector geometric shape icon. I think that's the best name for it. So download. After downloading, open your photo room app. We want to remove the background. You can also use Chrome to remove background. Start from photo. Select the photo. Choose transparent. Then export. If you want to use Chrome, just type remove.bg. Then you will use it. Alright, let's bring in our shape from gallery. So I'm going to crop it halfway because I need a smooth edge. Yeah, this is it. I'm still going to crop it further because it's kind of longer than my circle, so I'm going to crop it further in the sideways. This is it. Next, I'm going to change the color to white. Exactly. Then arrange properly. Arrange properly. Just make sure it's well arranged. Then copy the exact shape and turn it upside down for this other side, right? For the blue side. Yeah. So arrange it properly so that this other side can also form what we are looking for. For proper view, just turn your phone around because I'm recording slant. So alright, we're adding text now. Just type in your Pepsi. Feel free to comment if you have any question or reach out to me if you have any question. You can as well change the color or change the size. Just change the color. Let's see, black. If you want, you can leave your Pepsi letter in the middle, but me, I'm not putting it in the middle this time around. Alright, let's change the font first. So I'm just going to go. You can go with any big font like this arm wrestler or this chunk 5. So I chose chunk 5 actually. So as I said, I'm not putting it in the middle. I'm going to be using this down side. And this blue is actually nice. Let's stroke it. So you select stroke, right? And choose color white for the stroke. You can as well submit it like this or change the color if you want. You can use any color of your choice. I think I'm going to go with another color because this color is fine. You can use it. You can submit like this. But I want to choose another color. Exactly, I love this color. So just save as image, right? Save as image. Leave it as no transparency. The default should be high. Then that's save. Some ad will pop up, but that's save. You can actually merge it. I want to merge all my design except the Pepsi text, so I'll merge it. Reduce the size. The reason why I'm doing like this is because I want to change my image size. Just click on this image size. Click on this image size and change the width to 400, the height to 200. Alright, so we can reduce the circle. The circle is looking bigger than the text, so we can reduce the circle a bit more. You can as well submit like this. Interesting. Save to gallery. Alright, let's check out our two. Okay, this is the first one. This is the big one. So any way you want to create, either the big one or the small one, it's fine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.